Need to make extensive edits to PDF content? Converting PDFs to Word is undoubtedly your ideal choice. However, manual processing is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Don't worry, Make platform offers a solution that requires no coding and enables fast, automated, and batch PDF conversion. Let's take Google Drive as an example. First, open Google Drive and upload the PDF document you need to convert. Then, open the Make platform on your browser and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can visit the registration page to create a free one. Next, create a new scenario and rename it as needed. For example, I'll name it PDF to Word. Then, select Google Drive as your trigger and choose the Download a File action. Manually select the document you just uploaded. Complete the setup, and click Save. Now, select ComPDFKit PDF Converter, a tool that supports all types of PDF conversions. Choose PDF to Word and create a task. Enter your license key to connect ComPDFKit PDF Converter. If you don't have a license key yet, click here to register for a free account on the ComPDF API website. Then, go to the dashboard page to copy your license key, return to the Make platform, and paste it in. Next, click Upload a File for better conversion results. Click here to access the parameter settings reference. ComPDF provides reference codes for all PDF tool parameter settings. Click PDF to Word, and you'll find all the parameter settings here, including whether to include annotations, whether to include images, different layout options. 1 represents flow layout, 2 represents flow layout with forms, 3 represents box layout mode, whether to enable OCR, whether to preserve image backgrounds, whether to enable AI form recognition. Copy the parameter code, return to Make, and paste it here. Then, configure these parameters based on your PDF document. For example, my document contains images. Set the Include Images parameter to 1. For other parameters, I can keep the defaults or delete them as needed. Click the plus icon and select Start a Task. Then, set up a repeater to repeat the next steps, ensuring all document information is fully parsed to achieve the desired results. Choose Get File Information. Next, add 2 rows. Tools, if the target file is not generated, return to refetch the document information. Set up a filter and select Does Not Exist. HTTP, if the target file is generated, return the file URL. Similarly, set up a filter and select Exist. After HTTP, you'll also need to add a destination path for the target file. Still, select Google Drive and choose Upload a File. Manually set the file's save path. Then add a parse JSON action and enter the command. Right-click and select Add an Error Handler. Then choose Commit to finalize the entire process. Click Run once to start the automated document conversion. Once completed, open Google Drive, and you'll find the converted document saved here. Click to download and open it. Perfect, with no formatting issues.